if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making today I will be cooking rice and raw peanuts with peas, curry chicken, and I'm gonna make some carrot and Jamaican apple juice with one little tubs of ginger. So if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe, like the video them, leave a comment, and share my video them, because I will be coming with a lot of videos in every category. I gonna do video about everything. Yeah, so stay tuned and check out the video. Okay, so right now I'm cutting up my seasoning. So that's my sweet pepper. Yeah, it's big, but it's not hot. Sweet pepper. Yeah. My onion. Yeah, you have to make sure you clean it off properly. Take off all of the skin with the brown panny. And cut. See, me have to peel off one next piece of skin. Yeah, girl, cut up the next piece. Big bad chef. Yeah, I'm gonna wash off my carrot right there, so I scrape it off. Now you have to make sure you clean off all that dirt, because I know dirt and curry chicken we cook. I just curry chicken with nice seasoning, no dirt, so we have to clean it off properly. One tell me say knife dull so till. And me never know say at the back of the knife you have to use and scrape off the carrot. Me they use the next part. Wash it off one more time. Cut off them little something with a little dirt spot. Wash it off again. But I to watch my hose. A two sink I have, and I just one pipe, and the pipe can't spin. So I just get a piece of hose and just screw it on to the pipe. So when me are washing on one sink, the hose in the next one, I rinse off the plate them. So I fill up one sink with the hose, and then the next sink have the hose in it, I run water. I rinse my plate them. Yes, so I cut up the carrot them now. So I don't know, but I have this thing where I cut up some of my carrots long, and then I cut up some of them short. Like I dice up some and cut up some long. They don't want them to me, but I like it that way. They are tired, my hand get tired when we cut up them long. I don't know what I want. Anyway, easier. Yeah. So me still a cut up carrot. Jesus Christ, look like I will like carrot them I use. But you know, see, meat have a whole heap of seasoning, so you know too matter me. Yeah, me I scrape it off. Scrape, so me I take so long to scrape off the carrot. Alright, yeah. Alright, so my Irish potato them. Yeah, I washed them already, but I think me gonna wash them again. So me I peel them. Them Irish say up on my mom me get them. Yeah, my mommy give me Irish, sweet pepper, carrot, plantain, banana, All of the good stuff. Yeah, because which part me live, them stop me at too dear. Me can't afford it. Yeah, so me have to go up there, get them stop me here for mommy. So I cut up my Irish potato them. Not too big, not too small. Cause you know say you don't want them to crush out in the pot. One more Irish potato. And them Irish are big. Them real big. Peel it. Rinse it off. Slice it up on a cutting board. What me I don't know. Okay. That I'm my hot pepper. Make I tell you something. This the hot pepper coming like say a sweet pepper. It not even really have no scent. But me never have no other one, so I eat me have to use. Yeah, then this I'm a chicken. Already clean out. So I think me I go wash it off now. Yeah, so that's my apple cider vinegar. Until I say me I try to out one cork. You know see run right over. No make no sense. No one make me to use the cork in the first place. So that's me rinsing it off. Rinse it one more time. Yeah, cause your apple cider vinegar don't smell good. So you have to rinse it off all 3-4 times to get the scent off of it. So that's me rinsing it again. Yeah. Strain out the water. That's my parsley leaves. They're dried and crushed. And my thyme leaves. Watch them now. Could I get the thyme out of the bag? That's my seasoning. Yeah, and I didn't show you guys when I add my my jerk seasoning, but I did use jerk seasoning in it. So me just throw it in there. Yeah. And that's my garlic. I don't even like garlic. I don't know why I use so much garlic. See, I rub it in. Make sure I say it well seasoned. All the bones seasoned up. Well nice. See it there? I'm going to sprinkle a little of my curry on it. Spin it up. Yeah. Make sure I say curry there all over your chicken. Alright, so right now, me about to start cook now. Throw in one little piece of garlic in the cooking oil. Yeah. Me not really make my garlic burn out too much because I don't like the scent after it burns too much. So I don't use much. See me I throw in my curry in there. And look here, make sure say on burn on a curry good. Because if you not burn the curry good, belly gonna hot, belly gonna run. So my curry well burn, color change, drop in chicken in a pot. Girl a chef. Wife material. Yeah, throw my chicken them in the pot. I stir it up here now. I want to tell you say my hand did that burn me so, but I have to hurry up and spin it up. I throw in my seasoning them in my pot now because it was on the stove for like about 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So me the basic about 5 minutes I had it on the stove, you make it fry, spin it up a little bit, but as me tell you, the heat was actually burning my hands. So I had to just, jump over to this part because my hand did that burn me too much. That's me spinning up my seasoning in my meat. This is my coconut, really small, not really too big, Yes, so me did done throw the water and drink the water already. Wash off my heart. I wash off my coconut now. That's me cutting it up. Yeah. You have to make sure you cut them up real small because you don't want a blender bun up. Yeah, I not really use no big blender. I use a small blender. because I not enough coconut. As you can see, I not enough. Yes, me I use my hose again. I fill up the something with water. I gotta start blending it up here now. Could it nice and creamy. Yes, me I throw it in the pot there. Yeah. So that's my peas with my raw peanut. Them did already I did already pressure them there already. Put in my thyme and my scallion and my coconut milk and my thyme leaf. Me I throw in my piece of butter. As me tell you now, them pepper you not hot. Them don't make no sense. You don't taste them not at all. Yeah, me I throw in one little bit of cooking oil. Okay, you know you can't cook rice and peas if you not tip one little bit of cooking oil in the water. Or in the whole thing. The pot with the peas and the peanut and the scallion and thyme. You have to have a little bit of cooking oil. That's me washing my rice. Me I throw my rice in the pot now. See my peanut them bubble up on the top of the pot. Spin it up. Make sure say everything going in. That's me cutting up my fruits, my carrot and my apple. I don't even know if carrot is a fruit. Somebody tell me if carrot is a fruit. Carrot is a vegetable. But yeah, my Jamaican apple and my carrot. When I go to when I cut up my ginger night because after I don't cut up them here, remember say I not cut up no ginger. I have to run go over shop, go get piece of ginger. Yeah. Girl, I cut up our carrot them. I got these carrots from my mom as well. All of my carrot them which I have from mother me get them. As me telling them I can't buy carrot none at all because me go to the area and buy 3 carrot for $200. 3 single small carrot for $200. Me not have them breed of money there. Them they are rich people something. Alright, see girl I blend up the carrot and the apple. Me just a blend and a go on. I tell Top Chef long time. What me a blend out of this the carrot so long? Okay. Yes, me a strain it there and them clean. Yeah. Me a mix my juice you know. Yeah. People nobody wonder how I put in so much sugar in the juice. I don't know what heap of sugar. It never sweet cause we did actually drink the juice with the ice. So it never sweet. None at all. I mean I mix along out of this juice. Watch me jug. Yeah, I throw a little in my hand right this song and taste it. If you are Jamaican somebody and you don't throw a little of your juice in your hand when time it done mix, are you even Jamaican? That's my lettuce. Them did already wash with them salt water. Watch you know, man. Watch good food. Look at good food. Yeah, rice nice, chicken nice. Yeah, my Irish them they kind of crush out a little bit, but that's the least, I tell it. Tastes real good. You taste coconut milk. You taste everybody except the pepper. Everybody you taste except the pepper. Vegetable nice. Rice look nice. Meat look nice. Yes, I juice them there. People nobody wonder what me I do with spoon in the plate. A spoon me use eat. So me juice them there. When nobody full up the cup too much. Because you never want done the juice. Yeah.